Hello guys, this is Jonathan Ryerson, and it is January 23rd, and this is going to be a very special unboxing video right here. So, cover this bottom half up, and this fire alarm came from Fire Alarm by Fire Alarm Parts. So this device was not from eBay at all. I bought this from a different website. So let's open it up and see what is inside, because this is a very special box right here. This is a very special unboxing video. So let's see what's inside. It's a good surprise, guys. Be sure I don't cut myself. That can sit over there. I wonder what this could be that I bought from... I didn't buy this from eBay. This is a completely different website that I bought this from. And it's my prized possession. I wonder what this could be. Okay, we got some more stuff in the box. Oh, look at this model. Look at this model, guys. Model GOS 24-1575CW. I wonder what this could be. It's going to be my prized possession. It must be a Gentex alarm. Open it up right here. Yo ho 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 ho! Yay! Wow! Gotta take the sticker off. And guess what? Wow. And this also came with the instruction manual too. It came with the manual, and it came with actually it came with 6 mounting screws. This is an alarm that's in excellent condition, no scratches. And this is a Gentex GOS, guys. This is a Gentex GOS. It's a very rare Gentex Fire Alarm. It's a Gentex GOS. How awesome is this? This is a Gentex GOS 24-1575CW multi-tone horn strobe. And guess what? It's a ceiling mount device. It's a ceiling mount. See? It has the fire lettering printed this way. It's a ceiling mount device. Very nice fire alarm. Excellent condition. No scratches. Very, very cool. Gentex GOS.
Hey, Thomas. Hey.
Very nice. Excellent condition. No scratches. Here's the terminals on the back. These two are probably for the strobe, and these two are probably for the sounder, the horn. So this is a multi-tone horn strobe. So, there you guys go. Very nice. This is my prized possession Gentex Fire Alarm. This is going to be my second Gentex device. So, Gentex GOS. Really cool. I finally have one of these. These are hard to get a hold of, guys, and these are really hard to find, and I finally got my hands on one of them. Maybe one day I can get a Gentex SHG too. So this is a GOS because it's got a bigger horn and it's got the bigger grill and the sounder. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.